What's up, guys? We're back. Super hot day today, and it's going to be hot for the rest of the week. And I was walking around making sure that all of my irrigation is running and all of my trees are hydrated. And I noticed something, and let me show you what this thing is. So, in this pot, I have a seedling, and I made the seedling produce a second limb, and the main one was right here, and then the second one. So I I can show you guys how to do this also, where if you actually have a younger tree and you want it to produce a second kind of like limb to kind of come out. But in any case, what I did with this tree was I grafted two special varieties. One variety is called, let me see if I can pull it out here so you can see it. It's called Jan Boyce. So Jan Boyce is growing nicely. It's actually flowering. So this was the graft right here. Let's see if I can zoom in correctly. Well, in any case, that's the graft. That's where I did it. And it's growing nicely. So on the second limb, I grafted this guy, which is Santa Clara Gold. And for some reason, I don't know why, my gardener decided that this thing needed to get cut. And he came out here and just cut my graft. So here's the graft. Here's one and here's two. And for some reason he just said, at first I'm like, okay, well maybe it was an animal that bit it, but that's too clean of a cut. And I was here on Monday and this was fine. And today is Wednesday, so he came yesterday. So I don't know what to do. I don't know how to nicely say it. Like, what are you doing? This was actually growing really nicely. So this tree was going to be awesome. I mean, this thing had Santa Clara Gold on one side, Jan Boyce in the middle, and I also grafted a third called Kona Charwell, and the Charwell's still green, but this was like really big. So kind of just wanted to share my disappointment because a little ticked off more than anything, for no reason. I mean, it's in a pot. I mean, if it was in the ground as in a weird spot, you can shape it whatever. I can understand that, but for no reason. This is in my little nursery section where I have it in a pot, and I have a little tag there. I don't know if you saw that, but I mean, anyways, I don't know. I'm a little disappointed. I had to share some of that. But here's the deal, you guys. It's super hot today. We're going to be in the 90s, high 90s. We're probably, I was checking the temperatures. We're right now at like 98 degrees. Go make sure all of your avocados are hydrated. If you have time, I mean, I would even spray them down. So I'm going to go and spray down my avocados in my other part of my nursery over there. Maybe some of those are cut too. I don't know. I'll go look. But I don't know how to nicely tell them, but I'll have to figure out what to say. Maybe first I'll just ask why, why it was cut in the first place. But I know my family wouldn't do that because they know how long I've worked on this, and I showed them. I was all like excited about it. So they wouldn't just come out here and go, okay, I'm going to cut this. So in any case, you know what? It's okay. We got a big Santa Clara Gold avocado tree in the back. It's got fruit. But the idea was to do a double graft onto this, and I had somebody that was gonna buy it off of me, and so I've been holding it off to give it to them, and then now I'm like, I don't even know what to tell them except for, by the way, it's still there. I guess it might grow back. I mean, I can see a little kind of bud right there. I don't know, it's hard to see. But that's the main graft right there in that section. Healed up nicely. And what's this white stuff? That's parafilm. That's what I use to kind of wrap the scion. And You don't have to unwrap it. You just leave it on there. It just slowly degrades over time. As a matter of fact, you don't want to use anything else, I don't think. Don't use saran wrap. That stuff does not, it'll choke your branch. Use parafilm because it actually separates and kind of like just decays and falls apart. So in any case, go check your avocados. Stay hydrated, you guys. It's gonna be a hot one. It's not just today, but it'll probably be tomorrow and through the weekend also. Anyways, we'll talk later. See ya.